Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. And this video, it's a POV video, something a little different for this channel, but we're revisiting the Grizzly Ride film simulation for the Fuji X-T4. Now this recipe is only working on newer Fuji cameras. You need the Eterna Bleach Bypass film simulation, and you also need there's the clarity setting on there as well. So unfortunately this won't work for some of the older cameras because they don't have the Eterna profile on there, Eterna Bleach Bypass profile. But if you want to check out the photos from my past video when I took this film simulation, this is created by Emmanuel Sander. I had an overcast day, took some pictures, but today was sunny, so I got out, did a POV, something a little different, and the skies were nice and bright clear. So I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you want to try this film simulation, you can check it out. It's down in the description below. You can load it up on your camera, and obviously let me know how you like it in the comments. And hopefully you get a chance this weekend the weekend is almost over. Hopefully you had a chance this weekend to get out and take some shots. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed the POV. I will see you in the next video.